Hello and welcome back to e-learning class. Children, as you all know, we have started cursive capital letters. So today we will learn cursive capital E and cursive capital F. But before starting, as usual, we will practice joining of three letters. Yes, now we will practice joining of three letters, three cursive small letters. Let's begin. So the first letter I am going to write is G. We have to start from second blue line, cursive small G. You have to touch at the bottom red line and then continuously another letter I. And then again without lifting your hand, next letter I am writing C. Put dot on I. G-I-C. This way we have to join all the three letters. Again I will show you. G. Don't lift your hand and write next letter I. Again continuously another letter C. This way we have to join these three letters of cursive small. G you have to touch at the bottom red line and I and C you have to write within blue line. Don't go out of the blue line while writing I and C. Again G, and don't lift your hand, I, and without lifting your pencil, next letter C. G-I-C. Okay, now another I will show you. C. Then next letter I am writing A. And then G. C-A-G. C and A you have to write in the blue line. Again we will write. Children, you have to make curve while writing C. In the blue line C, don't lift your hand, write A. Again continuously another letter is G. C, A, G. This way you have to practice joining of three letters. One more time I will show you. C, A. Are you observing, children, how I am writing? G. I am writing without lifting my hand. Continuously I am writing and joining these letters. In the same way only you have to write in your 4-line book. So today we are going to learn cursive capital E. Which letter is this? Cursive capital E. E for egg. E for egg. This is cursive capital E. Next is E for elephant. E for elephant. So now let us see the correct formation of cursive capital E. Have a look for the correct formation of cursive capital E. We have to start from down to up in slanting way, go to other side and come down in circular way. Again come down in circular way, that is semicircle way, go up and make a curve inside. Cursive capital E. Again we will write down to up in slanting way, go to other side, come down in circular way, again come down in circular way, go up and inside curve. Cursive capital E. We have to start from down to up in slanting way, then go to other side and come down in circular way. Again come down in circular way, go up and inside you have to make curve. Cursive capital E. One more time we will write. Down to up in slanting way, go up, then go to other side, come down in circular way, go up, go inside and make curve. Cursive capital E. Now let us learn how to write in 4 lines. Now children, while writing cursive capital E, we have to start from the first blue line. Pay attention children. From the first blue line we will write down to up in slanting way, touch the top red line, come down in circular way to the first blue line, again come down in circular way to the second blue line, go up and curve inside. Cursive capital E. Again we will see, we have to start from first blue line, which is the second line in this 4 lines. Down to up in slanting way, touch the top red line, come down in circular way to the first blue line, again come down in circular way to the second blue line, go up and make a curve inside. Cursive capital E. Again we will see, start from first blue line, down to up in slanting way, touch the top red line, come down in circular way to the first blue line, again without lifting your hand, come down in circular way, go up and make curve inside. Cursive capital E. Children, if you write E like this is wrong, or else if you don't touch the top red line, this is also wrong. Observe my hand, how my hand is moving. Same way you have to write in your book. See the correct way of writing. We have to start from first blue line, go up to the top red line, come down in circular way to the first blue line, again continuously come down in circular way to second blue line, go up and curve inside. One more time I will show you. Down to up in slanting way, touch the top red line, come down in circular way, again come down in circular way, go up, go inside and make a curve inside. This is cursive capital E. Now the next letter is cursive capital F. Which letter is this? Capital F. Cursive capital F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fox. F for fox. Now let us see the correct formation of cursive capital F. In cursive capital F, we have to start from this curve line. Like this curve line, come down and go up and make a curve. And then you have to put dash in the middle. This is cursive capital F. Again we will write. First we have to do curve line like this, come down and then go to other side and curve at the end. And then you have to put dash in the middle of F. Cursive capital F. See the correct formation. We have to start like this curve line, then come down, then go to other side and make curve at the end, put dash. Cursive capital F. Now children, in your book F is given like this. This is also correct, but you have to follow this school method only while writing. See how we have to write? First make this curve line, come down and then go up and curve at the end, put dash. Did you notice the difference between these two? You have to follow this school method which I have taught you. Now let's learn how to write cursive capital F in 4 lines. Have a look. We have to start from the top red line. Keep your pencil on the top red line and start with curved line like this. Come down straight to the second blue line and then go to other side, curve at the end. Put dash in the middle of F. Once again, put your pencil on the top red line and make this curve line. come down straight to the second blue line and curve at the end, and then you have to put dash in the middle on the first blue line. Cursive capital F. See how Miss is writing? Are you all observing? Yes, start with curve from the top red line, come down straight to second blue line and curve at the end. Put one dash. Don't forget to put dash. Now children, if you write F like this without making curve line, straight line and then come down and curve and dash, this is wrong. You have to make this curve line at the top right line. This is the correct way of writing cursive capital F. Come down straight to second blue line and curve at the end. Don't forget to put dash. In your book, F is like this. This is also correct, but again I repeat, you have to follow school method only, which I am teaching you. Do curve line, come down and curve at the end. Put dash. This is cursive capital F. My dear children, today we learned cursive capital E and cursive capital F. Before that we practiced joining of three letters. Every day you have to practice cursive small and cursive capital letters in your 4-line book. And you have to practice joining of three letters also. In today's homework, you have to do cursive capital E and cursive capital F in your cursive capital book. But again, I repeat the instruction, while writing cursive capital F, you have to follow school method only. Thank you. Have a nice day.